Fáilte romh, Seo Bríd agus Seo Irish language teacher. So today I want to give you a few phrases to get you started on the weather. So we talk about the weather a lot in Ireland. So let's start with the little red box on the phrase card and the four phrases that are in there. It is hot. Tá sé che. Tá sé che. It is cold. Tá sé fuair. Tá sé fuair. It is wet. Tá sé fliuch. Tá sé fliuch. It is windy. Tá sé guifer. Tá sé guifer. Now, if we want to say those in a negative way, it's not hot, it's not cold, it's not wet, it's not windy. What we do is we change the tá to níl. Níl sé che. It is not hot. Níl sé che. Níl sé fuair. It is not cold. Níl sé fuair. It is wet. Sorry, it is not wet. Níl sé fliuch. Níl sé fliuch. It is not windy. Níl sé guifer. Níl sé guifer. So with those few phrases around the weather, you can start mixing and matching with the other phrases that you've picked up on the Irish language teacher lessons. So for example, you could say Níl sé che inniu. Níl sé che inniu. Tá sé fliuch inniu. Tá sé fliuch inniu. It's not hot today. It is wet today. Okay, so have fun with that. Slán go bhfuil.